This 2023 Redwood RV Redwood 4150RD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Wabash, in 46,992 and is offered for sale by Zoomers RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Redwood RV is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, kitchen island, rear entertainment, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.